Hi everybody, welcome to my new video. I'm Georgia, and in this one I wanted to give my reaction to the Eurovision 2022 official entry for the UK performed by Sam Ryder, and the song is called Spaceman. So I'm gonna play the song and the video, give my reaction to it, and give some of my predictions on how I think it could do in May. So here we go. First seconds already and you can tell what an amazing voice he has. If he sings like that in studio, I think this is the type of the song that is going to be elevated live when he starts singing live. Yeah, there's so much potential for the staging here, Spaceman and Zero Gravity are everything that they can do. And if they get it right, this could be a standout performance. Yeah, in the video as well, he's elevated. Nice chorus as well, and this really sounds like a song that could be a radio hit and a chart hit in the UK and maybe even outside the UK. And what better platform to have it than Eurovision? This is nice. And obviously this is better than last year's Embers, which was okay, but unfortunately in such a strong year as was 2021, okay just wasn't enough. However, I like James's My Last Breath from 2020. I think that song was incredible. And too bad he didn't get the chance to perform it on the Eurovision stage. What a voice. I think the juries are going to love this. And this will probably be the best UK result since 2017, probably since Lindsay Jones. And as I said, jury are going to vote for this for sure. And if they get a great performance that transmits the message of the song, and that it's not cheesy, that it's original, and that you say wow, and not like okay. But I don't know who they hired to do the stage performance, but this sounds like a serious entry. I think the BBC are really they have stepped up their game so much, and if they invested in the song this much and the entry, I think the performance is probably going to be really good as well. I didn't know anything about Sam before, but I've read that he's really popular online and social media, so that's going to attract a lot of viewers as well, and he's going to be popular among his followers as well. So this is always a great thing, to go to Eurovision and have a fan base that's going to be behind you from the beginning, and also to have the general public behind you. Yeah, amazing voice, and I can't wait to see what they plan for the performance. So this was Sam Ryder and Spaceman. To me personally, one of the best UK entries in the previous, I don't know how many years. There were so many okay attempts, but as I said, in Eurovision you have to do better than okay, and I think this is better than okay. As I said, this is better than Embers last year. However, I think I still prefer My Last Breath by James Newman to this one, but as I said, this is a really good entry. This is a really strong entry, and it's a big step up from some of the previous attempts for the UK. So how do I think it's going to do? As I said, I think the juries are going to love it. It depends on the performance. It depends on the performance if the jury will like it either, but I think this is going to be the best result since 2017 for sure. Top 15 probably. I assume it's going to end up there. But yeah, as I said, it depends on the performance. If they make something creative and original and, have a wow effect, then I think they could do very well. If it goes the other way, if it's a bit cheesy or something like that, it could be misunderstood and then people will just say like, ah, yeah, they try too hard or something like that. But the potential is there to have a really good performance and a really good result in the end. So what do you guys think of Sam Ryder and Spaceman? What do you think of its chances? Is this the best UK entry in many years? What do you think it's going to do in Turin? Let me know in the comments below. Good luck, Sam. Enjoy Turin and enjoy this experience. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day. Take care and see you soon. Ciao.